Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's card, I am featuring the Mixed Media Memories and More card pack. These are for those memory keeping pocket kind of things. I use them for the cards. Let me show you what's inside the pack. You get 4 sheets of stickers, 2 each of 2 designs. So you get like little banners and some ephemera. Now I'm just going to flip through some of the floral, and well, they're just everything prints really. They're quite cool, front and back. I'm only showing you one side, sorry. I realized halfway through. So you can put these on cards, on a card base, and make a very quick card. You can put these like cards, write on them, journal on them, and put them in the little pocket keeping memory and more card pack things that Stampin' Up does. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. And last season, this is what I did last year, or last catalog, I made a series out of these cards. So I'm not going to make a series, but I am going to feature them as much as I can through the catalog, basically January through April. So I'm going to try to use these as much as I possibly can in cards. Also, like a lot of these like blank sheets, you can actually stuff in your kids' lunches, your husband's lunches. If you're a demonstrator, you can tuck them inside your customer bags and say thank you. It's a very cute way of getting your message across, right? It's not just a sticky note. It's something just a little bit more special. So I am going to make a card for this week, and hopefully you'll be able to recreate the card. So if you don't have these packs, you can just use a regular designer series paper or pattern paper as we call it. But yeah, I'm going to share with you some of the my cutting here because it's been requested. So the paper I'm cutting, so the width is going to be 3 1/4 inches, and the height is going to be 2 1/2. And then this little piece is going to be a strip 3/4 wide. And I think it was about 3 1/2 inches tall. All right, so this is my basic white thick card base. I have my Flirty Flamingo here. That's 4 by 5 1/4. My white piece, my basic white card, like that's just the thinner white card. It is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And I don't have the dimensions written down, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. I wanted a little bit of that Flirty Flamingo to pop, but I wanted a border, and yeah, I actually wanted it on a white card, but it looked too white. So I'm putting this 3 1/4 by 2 1/2 piece of pattern paper on some Flirty Flamingos. It's just a mat, just a little bit bigger, 3 3/8 by 2 5/8. And now I'm going to banner that end, the little strip. And I put a piece of adhesive down on the back of my card and I stuck it to it. And it's funny because I went a little ahead of myself. So you see that little Flirty Flamingo piece off to the corner there? I wanted to put that one first. So you're going to see me pull gently the patterned paper up. And then I'm going to put this little, I guess this is about 3/4 inch by 2 inches, Flirty Flamingo, just regular card base. And like I said, I tried to pull it up. I was going to rip it. So I pulled it up from the back side, and then I just sort of snuck that Flirty Flamingo piece in, and I wanted it in front. And I just wanted a little to show. Isn't that cute? I like that. Okay, so I slathered the back of it with Stampin' Dimensionals, and then I'm going to put that on the card. And there's no stamping today. I'm using a sticker that came with the card pack, and it says heartfelt thanks. I embellished the card using the rainbow adhesive backed dots. And that is my card for today. So you can see all the supplies I used listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, for thumbs upping, for commenting, for subscribing, all the YouTube-y things. I appreciate you so much. It really does help. And bye for now.